Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use ChatGPT with Discord. In order to use ChatGPT with Discord, you can either install the pre-made bot for the Discord app directly or build your own custom bot using the OpenAI API. First thing first, open up Discord onto your device. Once you open up Discord, in your server settings, you want to navigate to app directory. So open a server that you've created, and here you just want to go ahead and look for the app directory section. So click on the user settings and go to settings from the list, and here you just want to go to app directory. Now in some cases the mobile version might have limited options, so you might want to use the web version as well. So click onto the gear icon, and there you go, the app directory section. When you open up the app directory section, you want to look for highly rated bot like ChatGPT or other AI assistant. Select the bot and click add a server and authorize the necessary permission as well. Use the bot's basic command, usually chat or bot name, to start a conversation as well. After which you could just go ahead and build a custom ChatGPT bot as well if you want, and that's how you could use ChatGPT with Discord. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.